Hi guys, it's Janine and welcome back to our channel. So today I'm in the residences at Commonwealth by Century Properties because I was invited by Century Properties to check out the place. And this is my hood, so excited ako to be here. And I took this chance to make our video, which I've seen some of you guys request. Today we're gonna do tips on how I take my Instagram photos. Hi guys! It's me, welcome back. I guess I just really want to introduce myself a little deeper. Everybody has their own style, so you do you, girly. So this is our first stop. I think we're gonna find a lot of different rooms here where we can take photos, different backgrounds and different props. So let's check it out. Today I'm just gonna take photos with my cell phone. That's how I usually take photos kasi minsan nababulkihan ako to bring a camera. And this is what I always have with me. So usually cellphone lang talaga. Kaya this is also what I'm using today. Let's go. So this is the yoga deck. I don't usually see yoga decks. There is no yoga deck in my condo. So I really like taking photos of things na bihira ko lang makita. Kasi, of course, it's something different on my feed, something special. So, what I want to show you guys is a wide shot naman. A wide shot is usually what I do to showcase the background. If it's a nice background, if it's a nice wall. Oh, doggy! Doggy! Na-distract tayo for a while. But, back to that. So, a wide shot showcases the background. And one tip that I like to do for wide shots is take it from the bottom, shooting up. First thing, it makes you look tall. So, dito tayo tatapat sa gitna. Kasi sabi ng photographer ko, you should follow the leading lines? Ang dami! You should follow the leading lines and use it as a point of reference in your photo. So, we're going to stand here in the corner. Stretch one leg on the front to make you look tall, and I also like to put my hand on my waist sometimes. So for variety, lipat-lipat mo lang yung kamay mo. So, I'm melting. Kung totoong mainit naman, then might as well gamitin mo na yung nasa silaw pose na makatotohanan. And then, I get a lot of comments about this, kung bakit palagi akong nakanganga. My face is round, so when I open my mouth or relax my jaw, it gets longer. So, I guess it's just depending kung gusto mo smiling, or laughing, or yun nga, yung parang serious face. Okay, now we're in the salon at the clubhouse. And actually, first time ko makakita ng clubhouse na may salon. My first tip is to stay as close to the natural light as possible. For the pose, I guess you just really make do with whatever's here. So, point out kung ano yung maganda sa space na yun. Hanapin mo kung ano yung kakaiba sa space or kung ano yung magandang furniture. I think I'm gonna sit on the table, on the bar, and maybe it'll be a cute photo. Let's see. Picture. Okay, after a few shots, it's always best na i-check mo yung photos para kung mayroon kang gustong baguhin, mabago mo agad. So, cute naman, but parang wala kasi naman yung chair. So, if something's not working in that way, then tanggalin mo or gamitin mo. So, in this case, gamitin na natin yung chair para mas okay. And I always say the more options, the better. So, kung magpapapicture ka, guys, sabihin mo na mag-click lang siya ng mag-click para marami kang pagpilian. Because sometimes, like, one selfie comes from, like, literally 20 photos, 50 photos. That's the secret. So, let's try this. Ayun. I think we got the photo. That's it. So, let's go. Right across the salon, there's this rock and roll studio. It's the first time I've seen a rock and roll studio, especially in a condo. But it's the perfect place also for more photos because it has this cute, super cute installation. Siguro let's just try a simple photo. So, I'm just gonna stand here and use this as a background. tingin-tingin ka sa paligid, ngiti ka, things like that. Okay, let's check. Hey, it's cute! Wow! Proud. There, yay! Happy na ako sa pic. So I think we can move on to another room. Let's go! Parang bagay ito sa bahay ko. Hey guys! I found the movie room. Actually, ang cute dito kasi it's a colorful couch and the lighting is different. I wonder what we haven't done. Well, I changed my outfit. I learned that some other influencers really bring a lot of clothes when they decide to shoot content para madami kang iba-ibang looks na mapopost in one go. I don't really do that, but for today, I decided to do it. There are some poses that you can do in jeans that you can't do in a dress, so let's see if we can come up with something different with a pants look. Okay! Let's try another higa-higa pose just because masarap natulog. Very Titanic lang ang bag natin dito. Try naman natin na kumuha ng hat. So, this is just another option if you're running out of ideas. Para at least sa feed mo or sa Instagram, iba-iba din yung angle, hindi lang puro straight na nakatingin ka sa camera. Gusto ko sana magstay dito, pero madami pang ibang places here. So I'm gonna stand up before I fall asleep. Let's go! Now we're here at the show unit of the residences. Perfect to take photos if you're in your condo or in a hotel room. Cute. Cute. So this is a 2-bedroom. And I love the couch, but it also has a really big balcony. It's so big! Minsan lang may balcony na ganito kalaki for a condo unit. And we're gonna take advantage of it. So, picture tayo dito. Maganda kasi you can see the view from here and maliwanag. Let's take pics, maybe here with the view. So, with photos like this, I like to do it from the side. Parang mas maganda kung angle mo is the side, tapos sandal ka lang. You just lean back. Alam mo yung mga pictures ng celebrities when they're in Paris and they're trying to show the Eiffel Tower at the back, so super sandal sila. That's our peg for today. They say that you should make an S with your body, that's why I always put my knee up and then put your elbows out. And layo mo na lang din yung arms mo so your arms look slim. So that's another pro tip, guys. That's it. Super dami nating naikot. And the last step is basically editing. So I use VSCO and then I choose a filter that makes it a bit brighter. I also use Snapseed. Kunyari madilim yung face ko, then I adjust the brightness on Snapseed. And then sometimes if I have to adjust the smoothness or if my clothes are wrinkly or if there's a blemish, you can also use Facetune. So that's one of the apps that are super easy to use. I hope my tips are helpful for you. If you guys get to use my tips, tag me please, I would love to see it. Thank you to Century Properties for allowing me to visit the residences at Commonwealth. I love this area. I grew up here. And if you guys are interested in Century Properties, just follow them on Instagram at Century Properties or visit their website, century-properties.com. If you're looking for a place, this location is perfect kasi tinatayo na yung MRT outside. The MRT is almost done. It's gonna be walking distance. It's near the grocery, it's near a mall, it's near Katipunan if you're studying there. As a North gal, super na-appreciate ko to. And as you saw, the amenities are super nice. Ang daming amenities na hindi ko naisip that I would need or I would want in a condo. But thanks to Century for opening my eyes that these things are so useful. Had I known na possible pala to, then I would have gotten a place like this. And yeah. It's gonna be a new dream of mine. So thanks guys for watching. watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thanks, guys, and thank you, Sancho.